Hello dear teachers, here is Andra from The Little Keys, and I would like to show you how you can add more fun to your online lessons with the game Rhythm Dice. The game is built in a very easy to navigate PowerPoint slideshow with an aim to practice clapping rhythm patterns. The only physical piece of equipment you will need is a dice. It is even more fun if a student has a dice, so he or she can have a little moment of rest as they're rolling it, which is particularly important with the younger students. Let's go through level 1. In the first opening slide, you will see the rhythm values and time signatures that are covered in this level. The best way of using this game is through screen sharing with your students. This way, you can divide tasks. The teacher is navigating the slides and the student is rolling the dice and clapping rhythms. One click anywhere on the screen will take us to the main menu, where you can select from the 4 options: revision, set 1, set 2, or set 3. Let's start with revision. Simply click on the button and it will take you to the slide with note value revision, where the beats are shown as apples, something a little bit more visual, especially for the younger ones to connect to. As each student's interests are very different, we can customize this part for you. Imagine how exciting it would be for your students to find dinosaurs, unicorns, racing cars, or any other of their favorite characters waiting for them in the game. But let's come back to our apples for now. Once we are done with the revision, we can go to set 1. And here is where the fun part starts. We can finally roll the dice. So we can either do it ourselves or ask our students to do that. And let's imagine that we rolled dice number 3. Let's click here on number 3. And it will take us straight to set 1, rhythm 3 that we need to clap. Sometimes students might have a little trouble dividing the beats amongst the notes, so we can help them by clicking here on the bottom right on the support slide. Once we do that, it will take us straight to the slide where the beat division is clearly shown in the numbered apples, or dinosaurs, or racing cars, whichever you wish to have. Once we're done with that, we can either roll a dice again, or if needs be, we can go back to the revision or main menu. So let's try to roll a dice again. And let's imagine that we rolled 6. So we're going to click on 6 and it's going to take us to set 1, rhythm 6 that we need to clap. If we manage to clap it, it's absolutely fantastic. If we need some help, again, we can go to the support slide at the bottom and it will show us how to divide those beats. And here we go again, roll a dice. Once we are done with all 6 patterns here in set 1, or if you wish to switch earlier, we can always go to set 2 or set 3. So here we have 18 different 2-bar rhythm patterns that you can students can practice with. The game is available to purchase through our Etsy shop, The Little Keys. Link as well as the contact details are available in the description box below. Feel free to drop us a message with any questions you might have, and happy teaching!